Hey guys, how you doing? Tom here of the Honest Entrepreneurs, and this is one of the honest moments that Alex kicked off recently on our channel. I'm currently on an island resort just off of Phuket, and it's, like I see behind me there, it's pretty special to be honest. But anyway, I was thinking about Amazon and a common misconception that a lot of people have with product research and what product they should launch, and that is that you should be passionate about that product. We fully advocate launching products in passion niches. That's definitely what you want to go for because people are crazy about particular hobbies, but it doesn't have to be a hobby that you're crazy about. A lot of people are crazy about dogs, sport, football, running. It doesn't mean that there's room in the market for you to launch a product and do well. However, if you can find a passion niche that has a lot of demand and you can spot opportunity in the market, then just go for it and learn as much as you can about that niche. Become an expert in that niche. We followed that pattern with the product range that we've launched and the brand that we're building. We knew nothing, to be honest, about the niche, and now we're experts in it. We know how the people think, we know what they talk about, we know which language they use, we know which products they like, because we joined the communities, we joined the Reddit groups, we joined the Facebook groups. There's ways around these things, and you hear it all the time with advice, and it's difficult because a lot of people, to be honest, do have your basic bitches, your common likes and hobbies. So there's only so many products you can go for, and that's why those niches are so saturated. It's natural to look at those first, and of course it is easier if you can find a niche that you know a lot about and you are the kind of customer archetype. But don't let that put you off doing other niches and other products, because you can become the expert, you can still be successful. We're now passionate about the niche that we're in, but we're more passionate about launching successful products and having a successful business. We're passionate about money, is what Alex told me once, which is true. We're passionate about business, passionate about money, and passionate about being successful. Anyway, I just dropped that quick tip today. Don't let a niche that you know nothing about put you off. Just learn. You didn't know about Amazon FBA before, you've learned that. Why not learn something else? All right, see you in the next one.